Jody, have we got any hot sauces for Morty Fries?
What?
Have we got any hot sauces for Morty Fries?
No.
Huh? No. You know.
We don't never have hot sauce.
For Panther Branch, you supposed to got 15 boxes.
They got them.
He said he didn't give me 2.
We got 174 boxes. I don't know what it was. Why? We got a whole pallet of hot stuff.
I can't hear you.
A whole pallet was hot. It's like 75, 77 boxes. On one whole pallet.
I'm talking about the hot bulb.
Then we're going to pump them for another pack.
But it all went.